Hey guys, this is Andre from the Rich Returns team. I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. Today, I'm excited to show you our newest feature called Customer Incentives. I'm sure this feature will help a lot of you in terms of incentivizing your customers to choose store credits and exchanges over refunds, and in the whole process, boosting your revenue and profits. And building a loyal customer base. So, without further ado, let's jump into it. From your dashboard, we just need to head over to the return settings here. You'll be seeing a new section appearing here, which is the incentive section. Once we're there, we just need to enable the feature here and start building our incentives here. The add incentive button is where we'll add our first incentive together. And then the table here as well, all created incentives will show up. So let's head off and then create our first incentive together. We just need to check the box here for all of the options to be appearing here. We need to select the discount code type first. In my case, I'm going to choose a percentage. You can also choose a fixed amount here. So in my case, I'm going to choose a percentage incentive. Next stop is the resolution for which this incentive shows up. In my case, I'm going to choose store credit. So I have a 10% incentive for all store credits. As I said, I'm going to enter the value 10 here because I want to offer a 10% incentive for all store credits. After this, we have two optional features that are pretty important and pretty handy in my opinion. The first one is the ability to dictate incentives. So this means that we can dictate when our incentives shows up. So in this case, I'm going to choose a refund. So this means that each time a customer selects a refund throughout the returns process, the incentive will pop up there. As we'll see in the example after we create the incentive. And the next option, equally important in my opinion, is a timer. You can enable a timer, and at this time, 60 seconds, for example, customers have time to react before this offer expires, which is a pretty useful feature, as I said. In my case, let's choose 2 minutes. We could also choose in between, so we can choose to add 1.5, for example, 90 seconds and so on. But let's choose 2 minutes in my opinion. I want my customers to have plenty of time to think about this offer, but still enough time for this to expire. So let's save this. We'll see that we have created our first incentive here. This is a store credit incentive for store credits. The value type is a percentage. We have 10% incentive, and then we have the timer on here. So now we're done. We created our first incentive. Next stop are the brand settings, where we'll choose the color of the badge that shows up for the incentive. So you'll find this option here. As I advise always, I think you should choose the color of your brand here. This color matches my brand, which is why I chose it. Save our settings here. Our settings are saved. So let's head off to the portal and test our first created incentive here. Let's start the return. As you see, we have the dictate resolution option on, so the incentive does not show up immediately. But if I choose a refund here and now, we'll see that a message pops up that warns the customer, or rather informs the customer, that if they choose a store credit, they'll be able to grab a 10% bonus now. So if you open the menu again, we'll see that we have a timer ticking away, and that the badge is in the color I chose. So we have a 10% bonus here with the timer ticking away. So I think this is a pretty important feature. I hope my explanation here helps with your settings and how you create your returns, rather incentives. And it's really important to tailor this to your return policy and to your return strategy. So yeah, as always, if you need anything, just reach us on our support email, or talk to us through the chat box in your admin dashboard. And yeah, thank you. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye.